I'm going to talk about how to use an external microphone to improve the
介
sound
绍
on
一
your
下
video.
怎样
Video.
改善
I'm
录
from
音
Glendora,
质量。
California, and I'm preparing a series of videos to make your life easier and healthier. This video
手
helps
机
you
iPad
improve the
都有
quality
内
of your
置
sound
麦
if
克
you're ever
风，
recording. There's an
但
embedded
是
microphone in your iPhone or
录音
iPad.
效果
To override the sound of that,
通常
you would
不
just
理
plug
想。
in an external iOS compatible microphone and it would override the sound and improve
为
the
了
sound
提
quality.
高改善录音
That records the
效果，
sound and
我们
video
可以用
picture
外
simultaneously.
置麦
It's
克
also a
风。
microphone. I tried hooking it up
首
to
先，这
improve
个
the
麦
quality
克
of my
风
sound,
我用的
but it didn't work.
第一个
Why?
麦克风
Because it
无
doesn't
法
speak
用，因
iOS.
为它和
External
Apple
microphone to improve
像容器。
the quality of sound in your video, you have to make sure that the microphone in your video
你
device
如果决
speaks
定
the
买
same
外置
language.
麦克
Like for
风，你
example,
一定
Apple
要
will always speak
知道
iOS.
你所买的
Doesn't
麦
speak
克风
iOS.
和你使用的
Apple video,
设备
you want
必须
something that
具
is
有相容
iOS
性。
compatible, like this, for example.
我的第二个
See
麦
the
克
little
风
Apple?，
它可以和 Apple
If you're using
相
Apple
容，
products, when I mean talk
可是效
speak
果
the same
也不
language,
是太
they have to be
理想
iOS。compatible. Products claim to be iOS compatible, like this one,
所
for
以
example.
你
But
在购
this
置
didn't
外置麦
achieve
克风的时候，
the
即
desire I
使
wanted in a
它和你
microphone
的
that gives you your desired sound, and it's
设
usually
备
going to
相
come
容
from a more reputable.
但
Usually, your phone will
对
usually
能
come
保
with a
证
set of
效果
headphones,
通常要
like these ones. These ones currently have a microphone
比
built
较
in,
有
like
可
so,
靠
like
的
this.
牌子
This will improve the quality of your sound and
推荐
override
的
the sound in your
麦克
phone.
风。
To improve the sound in
So
my video,
耳机麦
I'm
克
currently
耳机
running
也
a
有内置
microphone.
小型微型麦克风，效果都不错。
It talks to a
能够同时
conductor
同时也可以买
that's right
无
here,
线麦克风，
and that
比较方便自由。
communicates with the wireless transmitter that's connected currently to my iPad. A microphone on
效
because
果也不错。
it's right here. This is the conductor that I'm wearing, and this is the transmitter that goes
同
on
时
my
无线
iPad.
交流。
They communicate.